So now what we're going to do is we're going to get out a piece of paper or have a Word doc open. I'll share a Google Doc maybe later, and you guys can have this diagram up. Looks like this. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be capturing our thinking about STAR's two worlds. So if you could just draw this. Okay, thank you. And then, so based on the synopsis, what were her two worlds? Does anyone remember? It was in the first paragraph.
Like her home in her neighborhood that's poor, and then her rich suburban prep school.
Perfect. Okay, so I'm putting boom, neighborhood on there and prep school. So I would like everybody on their diagrams to write neighborhood on one side and prep school on the other. Okay. So what I'm going to do is there's an activity we're going to do as groups is ideal, but since we're on Zoom, we'll just do it by ourselves. Okay, I just need to share my screen one more time. Okay. So does everybody see how now the little chunks and paragraphs are numbered? Okay, so what I want everyone to do is I want you to read the first little paragraph, and then I want you to go to your diagram and go to the side that says neighborhood, and then make a prediction. I want you to predict what the neighborhood that she lives in, what they will think of STAR and the situation from number one. It doesn't have to be some big prediction. It can just be like, they'll be mad. They'll believe STAR. That's just a quick example. Then go to the prep school side and predict what they will think of STAR and the situation from number one. Then I want you to go to number two, reflect, write it down in number two, and so on. So then you'll have 3 predictions on each side of what the neighborhood and the prep school will be thinking of STAR. And then we're going to go to this center part, and this is STAR might be feeling. And remember what we were talking about earlier, an emotion?
And simulation.
Oh.